Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use this Bosch Tassimo machine. You might be in an Airbnb and you haven't come across one before. So first things first, we're going to go to the back of the machine and we're going to take the old water, because we don't know how long that's been there for, and we're going to empty it out and put fresh drinking water in it. So for this, there's a little handle here. You lift this up and just lift out that back part there. I'm going to empty this out in the sink and put fresh drinking water in it, up to the max level just here. You can see we're up to the max now. We're going to place this in the back of the machine from the top and just push it nice and firmly down. Handle that side, close the lid. We're now full of water. We're now going to plug it in and we're going to turn it on. There's a little switch at the side here. Just press in there to turn it on. Now, depending on the drink you're making, you can move this up to there, or you can take it out completely. I'm just going to leave it on the bottom one here. This is a drip tray here that you can clean out once it starts filling with water throughout your stay at your Airbnb. So we're going to get the cup underneath here like so. We're going to lift this up by just going up on that part, and you can see the whole thing lifts up. And we're going to be putting this in upside down because it has to read the little barcodes. We're putting it upside down, and with this lip here is going there, just like that. That's how it gets seated. And we're going to close this down like so. It takes a little bit of force, like that. A little bit of powder's just come out. Don't worry about that, that will soon mix. And all we then have to do is press in on this big button at the side here. So press in, and that is it. Just be patient now, and your hot chocolate or your coffee will start coming out shortly. So that's made now. This is flashing. Don't open this up until that goes to solid, because otherwise you could scald yourself. So I'm just going to wait a few seconds until that goes to solid. There we go. It's gone to solid now. So you can lift up the top again, like so. And now you can discard that. And that is it. And that is how to use it. So you know how to fill up the water at the back. It will turn itself off after a short amount of time. And then you can just turn it back on again by just opening up this, and it will all come alive again. And you can put your new pod in and make your next hot chocolate or coffee. So there we have it. Thanks for watching.